In the name of Almighty Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Welcome to Hardia, Natural Health Sciences. In today's video, I will tell you the best and easy formula for cough, lungs allergy, and asthma. My youngest son had a cough, which is why the idea came to my mind and sharing with you. Let me tell you this method. Due to the cold weather, children and adults often suffer from chronic colds and coughs. Due to this reason, I am here for your service and telling you this. Mostly, we take this disease lightly, which we mostly ignore on its initial stage. But with passage of time, it increase with severity. Sometimes it become the cause of whooping cough and asthma. It can also cause headaches, weakness, runny eyes, and runny nose, sore throat, mild fever, and fatigue. These causes sluggishness and fatigue in whole body at all the time. It is a great formula for those peoples. Such type patients should use this formula for only 2 weeks. It will relieve sore throat, cough, cold, and flu. Ingredients are appended below. Licorice root, 5 grams. Clove, 5 grams. Cinnamon bark, 5 grams. Long peppers, 5 grams. Cardamom seeds, 5 grams. And honey, as required. First of all, grind everything except honey. After fine grinding, add honey as required and mixed well. It will become like paste. Store this paste in a fine container. Before going to bed at night, eat a half spoon for 15 consecutive days. Please avoid drinking water after eating the paste. Inshallah, the severity of cough, cold, and flu will decrease. This prescription will also eradicate the chronic cough and asthma as mentioned above. But for this purpose, use this prescription continuously for 1 month and 3 months consecutively. I hope you enjoyed my today video. If you are liking my videos, you are requested to please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you get all my upcoming videos well in time. Now, I want your kind permission till the next video. Allah Hafiz.